I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here with us today. Right now, as we go live, Bodor's laser cutting machine are just running in factories across the globe, cutting, shipping, and creating value every single second. So today, we are going to show you how exactly our new laser cutting technology, ultra high speed cutting, looks like in real production real scenarios, and why it is redefining the industry benchmark. So our theme for today's live stream is 2026 metal fabrication outlook, how our ultra high speed laser cutting technology can perform in the real factory scenario, and we will also take you inside in our Bodor's factory showroom and let the machine do the talking. One more thing before we dive in, we have an exclusive live stream purchase offer prepared for today's viewers. I will reveal later in the broadcast, so make sure you can stay until the end. Now, let me introduce someone we have already met before, who is our senior technical expert, Frank. Hello, Frank.
Glad to be here.
Frank, he has many years of hands-on experience in laser processing, and he's here today to show you exactly what our ultra high-speed laser cutting technology is truly capable of. So please give him a warm welcome. Hello, Frank.
Thank you. Thank you. So let me start with a question, and I want you to think about this seriously. What is the biggest production bottleneck in your factory right now?
Okay.
Is your cutting speed falling behind your order volume? Is your thin sheet quality inconsistent? Or are you losing too much time on changeovers when switching to profiles? Well, I visited thousands of customers around the world, and these challenges come up again and again in every country, in every industry.
Yeah.
Today, our answer comes down to one word: speed.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and when production speed becomes a bottleneck, Bodor responds with the ultra high speed laser technology designed to turn faster machine motion into real production efficiency. But to make ultra high speed easier to understand, we are going to show it in the most direct way possible, through a real side-by-side cutting comparison. So, in the first demonstration, we're comparing plate cutting performance at different acceleration levels, especially 2.5G acceleration versus 1.5G acceleration.
That is a huge difference.
Yeah, and pay attention to how smoothly the machine handles repeated counter cutting, complex shapes, and high-speed cornering.
Okay.
So let's start the video. So, from what we have just seen, the difference is quite clear. The higher acceleration system maintains faster movement while still keeping the cutting path stable.
Yes.
Especially during repeated patterns and high-speed turns. In the next demonstration, we will compare tube cutting performance using 2.7G acceleration versus 1.5G acceleration. So please watch how the machine performs during dynamic movement. So let's start S, K versus K series. In this demonstration, the high acceleration system delivers a clear efficiency advantage. Compared with the 1.5G system, the 2.7G tube cutting process is faster and more responsive, helping achieve an efficiency improvement of around 20% in this application.
So for customers, right? The real value is not just the speed in the number. It's more finished parts, shorter lead times, and also the better use of every production hour, right?
Yeah. And speed only matters when it translates into measurable production result. For example, with Bodor's ultra high-speed laser technology, axle speed can reach 180 meters per minute. Acceleration can reach 2.5G, and the overall processing efficiency can be doubled compared with the previous generation. And this number we have been verified in real production lines and the real customer application. And in today's webinar, we will show you exactly how those results are achieved in the showroom.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So before we head to the showroom, let's quickly walk through the contents for our audiences.
Yeah.
We are going to have a live demonstration in the factory, and then we will go to first we will go to the sheet cutting zone, and then go to the tube cutting zone, and then the laser welding zone. And also we prepared a very special and dedicated I-bend demonstration video for our customers. The I-bend series is a new product we have launched in this year, 2026, we will show you how Bodor's bending solution supports efficient downstream processing after cutting. Cutting is just a part of the Hue metal fabrication workflow. So throughout the broadcast, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. Our expert will answer them live. And remember, don't forget to send global #1 to info@bodor.com at any point during the live stream. You will unlock the Bodor's exclusive live stream purchase offer. But what exactly is the offer? I will reveal it in the end. So please make sure you can stay until the end. Some of the audiences is still curious about how Bodor become the #1 in laser cutting sales volumes, and who is Bodor Laser. So let's take a 30 seconds to know who is Bodor, and get Frank some time to prepare to walk to the factory.
All right, we have arrived at the sheet cutting zone of Bodor Laser Factory showroom. The machine right in front of us is today's star, the Bodor SC Series Ultra High Speed Sheet Laser Cutting Machine. Let's start with a quick look at the overall structure. Yeah. The SC Series features a fully enclosed exchange platform design. What that means is the machine has two work tables. While one table is cutting, the other is simultaneously loading the next sheet. The machine almost never waits, and that dramatically increases overall throughput. Here is the exchange platform switching mechanism. You can see the two work tables and the linkage structure between them. And here is the full enclosure housing. The fully sealed design serves two purposes: protecting operator safety and significantly reducing dust and noise in the working environment. Now, this inside is our laser cutting head. It integrates an active anti-collision sensor, which we will demonstrate in detail a little later. So, the machine, very powerful. The machine next to it is a regular one, our classic single platform sheet cutting machine. We will use these two machines for a speed comparison in just a moment. So, speed comparison starting now. Now, let's look at the SC Series operating workflow, from drawing import to country start. 你可以 drawing import file. The operator is importing a customer drawing file. Once imported, the system automatically runs intelligent nesting, and within seconds, it generates the optimal layout, maximizing material utilization. Next process, here library selection. We are cutting 1 mm stainless steel. The operator simply selects from the pre-configured process library. Cutting speed, gas pressure, and focal length are all matched automatically. No manual parameter entry required. Parameter confirmed, ready to go. Total time from drawing import to machine start under 2 minutes. For high mix, low volume production environments, that efficiency gain is enormous. Okay, the machine is running. Cutting has started. Watch closely for 3 key technology in action. First, fly cutting technology. In conventional laser cutting, the machine has to stop and pierce before cutting each new shape. But fly cutting keeps the laser head in continuous motion, cutting on the fly without stopping. For dense, small features parts, the efficiency gain is enormous. Watch the laser head, no pace, no break, no hesitation, continuous motion through every single shape. The entire cutting sequence runs without break. This is the SC Series performing under real production conditions. Okay, cutting complete. Cutting complete. Let's take a look at the quality of a finished part. You can see. Look at these holes. Look at these holes. Each one is only 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters in diameter, but every single hole is perfectly round, no deformation, no burr. This is precision control under high-speed cutting conditions, right in front of your eyes. Now look at the edge. Look at the edge. Smooth surface, fine and uniform texture, no draws, no slack. This part can go directly to the next process, no secondary grinding or finish required. The measured dimension deviates from the design value by less than or plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. That is the precision that SC series maintains even at full speed. For demanding component manufacturing, this precision level fully meets the requirement. It's okay. 感谢您. So, very cool. So we can talk about another important part. We won't talk about anti-collision, but this is a demo. We won't demonstrate a feature that is absolutely critical in real production. Anti-collision on the laser cutting head. In real world production, steel sheets are never perfectly flat, especially hot roller sheets, which frequently have warping and deformation. If the laser head collides with the warped sheet at the high speed, the damage ranges from a destroyed nozzle to a completely worked laser head. The repair cost is enormous. Yeah. Okay, watch. Machine starts. Laser head begin moving, approaching the warped area. Do you see that? The laser head detected the obstacle, automatically lifted and avoided it perfectly. Zero damage to the machine, zero damage to the workpiece. This feature runs silently in the background on every machine, every day, in every factory running 24-hour production. It is the kind of production that pays for itself. All right, we arrived at the tube cutting zone. This is our machine, SK series. Here, the dual chuck system, front chuck and rear chuck. These two chucks work in synchronized coordination, keeping the tube perfectly stable throughout high-speed rotation and feeding. That synchronized stability is the foundation of precision at high speed. The rear chuck have a maximum rotation speed 216 RPM. That is the highest chuck speed in the tube laser cutting industry today. The SK series delivers a maximum acceleration of 2.7 G and overall efficiency more than 20% higher than our K series. So now let's look at the Bodor Nest software. Our Mr. Lee, my colleague. This software, comes with the SK series. It has one feature that our customers love above all others: the 4-step no drawing modeling workflow. Okay, so the step 1 selects the tube profile. Okay, this is a rectangular but also round tube, square tube. Just tap to select. Okay, now we are in the step 2. Enter the dimensions and the system automatically generates the cutting drawing. Now, step 3, marking function. The machine can laser print part numbers, batch codes, QR codes, and other identifiers directly onto the tube. Yeah. Now, step 4, confirm, one-click fast nesting. The system automatically calculates the optimal layout. Okay, the entire process takes any operator just a few minutes to complete. The learning curve is minimal. Okay, cutting has started. Okay, let's look at the part quality. Okay, can I see the marks? Bodor. Okay, you can see clean edge, no burr. Besides with next function, we closer look at the SK series performs across the function. Here now setting the parameters for SK series featured function, front chuck override action. This is a unique capability of the SK series. With this function, every millimeter of the tube is cut with precision, all the way to the very end. True zero-tail processing, maximum material utilization. Okay, watch. The front chuck has moved past the laser head position. Watch, the front chuck has moved past the laser head position, feeding the tube into the zone between the laser head and the rear chuck. This enables dual chuck clamping for the final segment of the tube, the remnant. Alright, we are now in the laser welding zone. This is the Bodor laser handled laser welding machine. Let's start with a look at the machine and the welding gun. Today we want to introduce our Bodor welder Eco. An important feature is that inside of a water tank. It's not separate, it's inside. So have a water cooling technology, and this is the gun. The ergonomic handle design allow comfortable grip during extended operation. And here is the wire feeder mechanism, which supports filler wire welding for joints with gaps. And here is the green protective glass I wanna use. Also Mr. Wang, our operator, and is important for blocks radiation. So let's start with the sheet metal with the sheet metal butt welding. So operator aligns and positions two metal sheets. Okay, 开始. Okay, what's the welding process? The heat affected zone in laser welding is extremely narrow. The base material on either side of the weld seam shows virtually no distortion. That is one of the most significant advantages of laser welding over conventional TIG welding. The welding speed is also remarkable. This weld seam is complete in just 1-2 seconds. So look at this weld seam, flat, smooth, almost invisible. The edge. Yeah, this is part. Yeah. Flat, smooth, almost invisible. 1 millimeter, no grinding required. These parts can go directly to the next process. So, 感谢. So now let's demonstrate a very typical application scenario. Round tube, and flat sheet. This type of joint is extremely common in furniture, fitness equipment, shelving, and the structural fabrication. Okay? Okay, start. Watch the operator is running the weld along the joint between the round tube and the flat sheet. Laser welding handles this curved surface to flat surface joint effortlessly. The gun angle is flexible and highly adaptable. Okay. Another part. Okay, welding complete. 介绍这个 Okay, this part. Okay, let's take a closer look at the weld seam quality. This is the joint between round tube and the flat sheet. The weld seam is uniform in the width, consistent in the height, with a clean surface. No porosity, no cracking. The connection is solid and strong. 你试试分开，对 it's very strong. Notice the detail. The base material surface right next to the weld seam shows almost no discoloration. Yeah, that tells you that heat affected zone is extremely small. The mechanical properties of the base material are fully preserved. And one more thing, yeah, this welding machine is actually a 3-in-1 system. In addition to welding, it can also perform laser rust removal and laser cleaning. One machine, 3 functions. An important feature is that water tank is inside. This is significantly reducing your equipment investment. So this is welding zone, complete.
Bodor Laser was founded in 2008 and is headquartered in Jinan, China. We are the world's #1 manufacturer of laser cutting machines by sales volume for 7 consecutive years. From 2019 to 2025, our machines are now operating in over 180 countries and regions. We are not just an equipment manufacturer, we are a full process intelligent laser solution provider, covering sheet cutting, tube processing, laser welding, and bending. So welcome back to the studio. Welcome back, Frank.
Thank you.
We have just seen how Bodor's sheet cutting, tube processing, and laser welding solutions perform in real production
Workflow, yeah.
Yeah, but the cutting and bending, cutting and welding is just one part of the whole process. After the material is cut, the next challenge is often forming, right?
Yeah.
And that brings us to the final process we are highlighting today.
Bending.
Bending, yes.
Yeah.
To complete the full metal processing workflow, we have prepared a dedicated demonstration of Bodor's new iBend series, which is our press brake solutions here in the studio.
Yes.
So Frank, before we get started to the demonstration, could you walk us through the why iBend is different for among the press brake solutions?
Yeah. So the iBend series is built to international standard. This is important. And the machine frame uses extra thick carbon steel plate with a mortise and tenon reinforced structure.
Yeah.
This is extremely rigid. The tooling is heat treated to a hardness of HRC 53 plus or minus 2 and validated through 5 million bending cycles. This is a service life that far exceeds the industry average. Okay. The most important feature in the iBend is automatic curving compensation. Based on the sheet length, thickness, and target angle, the machine automatically calculates and applies the compensation value, ensuring every single bent part comes out with the perfectly consistent angle accuracy.
So instead of relying heavily on manual adjustment, right, the machine can automatically compensate for bending, deformation, and maintain consistent results.
Yes, that is especially important when manufacturers need stable batch production, reduce the rework, and the fewer scrap parts.
Okay.
Yeah, whether you are producing simple right-angle parts or more complex arc bands, consistency is the key, and that's where automatic compensation makes a real difference.
Yeah. So can we get started with the demonstration?
Yes. As you watch, pay attention to the smoothness of the curve, the transition between each section, and how closely the final shape matches the programmed design.
Okay.
So you can see the arc is very smooth and consistent.
Yes.
The curve is uniform. The transition is clean, and the final shape follows the design very closely. This is exactly where automatic roving compensation supports real bending accuracy, not just at one point, but across the entire bending line. Now, let's move to a more common application, right angle bending.
Okay.
Yes, this is one of the most frequently used bending process in sheet metal fabrication. So angle accuracy and repeatability are critical. So right angle bending is complete. You can see the angle is precise, the edge is clean, and the overall forming result is very stable. The iBend series can also be equipped with an optional laser angle detection system. The system monitors the bending angle in real time and can automatically applies a second correction if any deviation is detected. That means customers can further improve angle accuracy, reduce scrap rates, and achieve more stable results in batch production.
That's excellent, and that was a clear demonstration of our iBend series in action. From high-speed sheet cutting and tube cutting to laser welding, now bending, we have now completed all four key process demonstration in today's broadcast, which the same is metal fabrication in 2026. And a big thank you to our operators and to our technical teams for the excellent demonstration.
Yeah.
So Frank, let's do a quick recap of today's highlights.
Yes. A summary. First, we talk about SC series.
Yeah.
Axis speed 180 meters per minute, acceleration 2.5 G, overall processing efficiency doubled versus the previous generation. Important feature, flash piercing, fly cutting, active anti-collision.
Yeah.
Every single feature addresses a real production pain point. After SC series, we explain about
SK series.
SK series.
Yes.
Yeah. SK series is a 2.7 G acceleration, 260 RPM chuck speed, 45-degree cutting, front chuck override for zero Raman processing, square tube fly cutting, automatic load and unload, overall efficiency improved by more than 20%. And after SK series, laser welding machine, ECO.
The ECO series.
ECO series is our 3-in-1 welding of a rust removal and cleaning. The tank water is inside, it's not separate, and the minimal heat affected zone, beautiful weld seam, one machine, multiple processing capabilities.
Yes, welding,
Yeah.
cutting, and cleaning.
Yeah, finally,
Yes.
our I-bend press brake is an automatic crowing compensation, perfectly consistent angle accuracy built to international quality standards. Yeah, these 4 product lines cover the complete metal fabrication process chain, from cutting to forming. Yeah, no matter what country your factory is in or what material you process, Bodor Laser has the right solution for you.
Yes. So that's very brilliant summary. The moment everyone has been waiting for is right here. The exclusive discount offer. Alright, this is the moment that you have been waiting for, the exclusive live stream purchase offer for the live stream. And remember the keywords I have just mentioned, the global #1. You can see this code to info@bodor.com at any point during today's live stream. I will tell you what we offer for these discounts. The first is the #1 live stream exclusive discounts. Place your order through today's live stream and receive a special discount. This pricing is valid during the live stream only. And offer #1, consumable.
Offer number 2.
Yeah, offer number 2.
Yeah.
We have 2 offers here. This is number 2. We will provide consumable parts gift packs. Every machine purchase include a complimentary consumable packs, including nozzles, protective lenses, and other high-frequency replacement items. But of course, when you invest in industrial equipment, the offer itself is only one part of the decision, right?
Yeah.
What matters just as much as is the service, support, and long-term reliability behind the machine. And that's where Bodor's global service system gives customer real confidence.
Yes, we offer a 5-year warranty on core components, giving customer greater peace of mind when it comes to long-term machine reliability.
Yeah.
Second, Bodor's local engineering team will support machine installation, commissioning, operator training, and maintenance. And we also provide regular inspection service, helping customers identify potential issue early, and maintain stable machine performance, and reduce unexpected downtime. So this is not only a purchase offer.
Yes.
It is a complete support package designed to help customers achieve stable, efficient, and long-term production.
That's right. Yes. Now let's hear from some of our customers, because real results speak louder than any product demo. Today we are bringing you a customer success story from Vietnam. Our featured customer is the Vietnam Furniture Resources, also known as VFR, a leading high-end metal furniture manufacturer based in Vietnam. VFR specializes in premium furniture, lighting products, and metal components for global markets. The company serves international brands as well as large-scale hospitality projects, where craftsmanship, precision, and consistent product quality are absolutely essential. To support its production needs, VFR is currently operating a Bodor SK series tube laser cutting machine and a Bodor E series sheet metal laser cutting machine in its factory. And these machines help the company improve cutting efficiency, maintain stable processing quality, and support the production of high-end metal furniture components with great flexibility. Now, let's follow the camera inside VFR's factory and see how Bodor laser technology performance in their real customer production environment. So let's take a look.
Lần đầu tiên tại Việt Nam, dòng máy cắt ống laser Bodor S2 xuất hiện.
Dòng máy cắt ống S-Series của Bodor Laser là giải pháp cắt laser hai mâm cặp hiệu suất cao, nổi bật với khả năng chuyển động thông minh hai chiều. Thiết kế hai mâm cặp giúp máy vận hành linh hoạt theo cả hai hướng, tối ưu hóa quy trình gia công và nâng cao độ ổn định khi cắt. Nhờ đó, người dùng được trải nghiệm chất lượng cắt vượt trội hơn, hiệu quả cao hơn và sức mạnh xử lý ấn tượng hơn trong từng đường cắt.
Và sau cái thành công của dòng máy A3 Scanning thì một doanh nghiệp FDI của Việt Nam tại Bình Dương đã tin tưởng ủng hộ tiếp tục dòng máy S2 của Bodor và cùng với Bodor đưa dòng máy S2 nào vào hoạt động sản xuất nha. Máy A3 Scanning của Bodor được công ty đầu tư vào tháng 9 năm 2025 và công nghệ scanning thì chuyên là công nghệ chống phản quang cũng như là chuyên cắt các vật liệu về nhôm, đồng và titan.
Đây là dòng máy Bodor A3 Scanning đã phục vụ rất tốt trong quá trình sản xuất của công ty, cắt được nhiều vật liệu như là đồng, inox, nhôm từ 0.5 cho tới 8 ly, những vật liệu mà thường cắt ở công ty. Dịch vụ khách hàng bên Bodor thì rất là tốt, hỗ trợ từ kỹ thuật cho tới những phụ kiện đi kèm với máy. Mình mong là sẽ được hợp tác với Bodor nhiều hơn nữa.
And with today's exclusive live stream discounts, your total investment can just got even more attractive. Let's take a few questions from the comments.
Yeah.
What is the maximum sheet thickness of SC series can cut?
At 12 kilowatt, the SC series can cut up to 30 millimeters. For customers in many metal fabrication industry, we often recommend also 3 kilowatt. It's possibility for ultra high speed thin sheet processing. Under 6 millimeters is where it's really excel.
And next question. What tube diameter range does the SK series can support?
The SK1 handles around round and square tubes up to 356 millimeters in diameter, and the raw material and the raw material length up to 12,500 millimeters.
Okay, thank you, Frank. That's all basically the questions, and that brings us to the end of the today's live. We have witnessed the 4 product zones of Bodor, the SC series, SK series, which is the demonstration of our ultra high speed laser cutting technology, and also we have gone through the laser welding and the I-band. And every number, every feature we have verified on our real production lines. And so a huge thank you to all our operators on the showroom floor today. They are the ones who brings these machines to life. One final reminder, if you send the Global #1 at any point during today's live stream, our sales team will reach out to you by private email after the stream with your exclusive purchase code. If you haven't, please send the email. This is still the time. Type it right now.
Thank you. Thank you all for watching. If you would like to learn more about any of the product we demonstrated today or some other, please don't hesitate to reach out. Bodor Laser looks forward to becoming your most trusted laser processing partner.
Yeah, yes. And thank you for your time. See you next time.
See you next time.